Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, it's time to learn turn over a new leaf. Turn over a new leaf. It's an interesting expression, so let's find out how to use it. But first, let's do a quick review of last week's class. Alright everyone, so imagine I said I finally achieved the target. So, how do you respond to that with the expression from last week? You've got 5 seconds to think about it. Are you ready? Okay, and go. Alright, and time is up. If you said, wow, hats off to you, then that's exactly right. Well done and good job. Thank you for remembering last week's class. Okay, let's learn turn over a new leaf. Okay, now this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, so let's imagine that I know I'm not a perfect person, but let's imagine I drink a lot. Maybe I'm drinking too much beer these days, so maybe my health condition is not so good. So I say, yes, I should stop drinking so much. And Taro says, yes, it's time to reform your action, to change your behavior, to do something better than what you've been doing so far. Okay, so to reform your action. Okay, yes, that's good. The words make sense, but not so natural. Instead, Taro could say, that's right, it's time to turn over a new leaf. Time to improve yourself, time to do something better. So for example, if I'm drinking too much, maybe I can cut down or reduce the amount I drink. Or let's say I'm not being very active, I'm a little bit lazy, so I should do some exercise. I need to change my lifestyle, I need to improve myself, I need to turn over a new leaf. Okay? Alright, so yes, it's a very good expression. So please remember this for the review next week. Okay, so the pronunciation, turn over a new leaf, okay? So the N and the O here, they join, so it sounds like turnover. It's not turn over, okay? So we can combine those together. Turn over a new leaf, okay? So turn over, and then a little pause here, a new leaf, alright? So one chunk here, one chunk here. So please repeat after me. It's time to turn over a new leaf. Your turn. Okay, now, after my sentence here, yeah, I really should stop drinking so much. That's right, very good. Yeah, it's time to turn over a new leaf. Maybe start drinking more water, for example, okay? All right, so, okay, let's move on to the bonus question this week, which is another way to say it was very easy. All right, so we covered this way back in one of our older videos. So it's in the early 200s, okay? So if you have some time, check it out. If not, well, you can see the answer for our bonus question in the description. So we'll leave the answer to this in next week's video, okay? All right, so thank you always for watching. Have a great week, everyone. Keep on studying, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.